Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. One thing I want to start off by saying early on is this is a late entry. We were having issues with our recording, but everything is still proven that it's going to go down. Today is Thursday, June 27, 2024. Inverted H, lightning to the downside. Inverted H, lightning to the downside.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's our $1 move. Going back to the 5-minute chart, we had an inverted H, 555, inverted H. Now I think that this has a little bit more juice in it, so we're going to have a little bounce, and I expect it to go a little bit farther than the dollar drop. Now that the price is at the 50 moving average on our 1-minute chart, and it's coming back to the point of control right here, we're going to see how it reacts to it. If it doesn't get through it with speed and violence, we'll pull our profits because this might be a potential reversal coming up here shortly.
Order filled.
And there's $1.50, ladies and gentlemen. Keep in mind, we did get in a little bit late, but it was a very successful setup. Now, this price might get held up on the 50 moving average for a while, and then it might show a possibility to go back up. But nevertheless, we got in, made our $1.50 on this trade. Now we'll just look for the next setup. All right, we dropped. We bounced. If we don't get through the 50 and accelerate with speed, the statistical probability for this situation to go down just drastically dropped, and we are going to go up with the market at that point then.
Order filled.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going up with the market. What I see is an H pattern moving average bounce, lightning to the upside on our 1 minute, an H pattern moving average bounce on our 2 minute with a slingshot. On the 5-minute chart, the price is retesting off the high of yesterday, and TSL 1 hasn't crossed the 50 area. Let's see if we can get $1 out of this run, and then I will mark up the charts and show you what I saw.
Order filled.
And there you are, ladies and gentlemen, $1.10 up. We had $1.50 down, $1.10 up on 2 trades. That puts us at $2.60 for the day. Let's go over and review why we got into this call setup. So here's our H pattern, moving average bounce, H pattern, moving average bounce. We had a lightning to the upside forming. Here's our slingshot. Here's our H pattern moving average bounce. As you can see, we exploded with power right out of the gate, broke the high of yesterday, came back down, retested off of it, and that's what we're anticipating, a lightning to the upside. As far as our oscillators are concerned, as you can see, they never got into the opposing zone, but that's okay because our faster charts were telling us we were going back up. Now, the Fibonacci, if we anchor from cycle low to cycle high, you can see we touched roughly around the Fibonacci 50 retracement area, and that's why we took this trade.